Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone volume is low. Enjoying music or movies on your iPhone, but finding things a bit quiet. Yes, you're in trouble with iPhone volume low issues, but you're not alone. We've heard from so many users complaining about iPhone volume too low in many scenarios. They can't turn up the volume when on calls, on speakers, on Bluetooth, in the car, and so on. The volume is low even though it's all the way up. You might be wondering, why is your iPhone volume so low? And how to boost the volume to make it louder on the iPhone safely and easily. Keep watching, and this video will lead you to the answers. Why is my iPhone volume so low all of a sudden? The culprits behind the low volume issues on iPhone can be diverse. It can be due to incorrect sound settings. If you've turned on silent mode, do not disturb mode, noise cancellation and other low sound features, there is no doubt that you have low volume on an iPhone. It can also be due to connected external devices. This is a common reason for iPhone volume low even on Macs. It can be due to software problems. When your iPhone volume is too quiet, certain software updates and errors coming up from specific apps might have affected the volume controls, leading to inconsistencies. Sometimes, the hardware is at fault. In the simplest case, the dirt or debris in the speaker or headphone jack causes too low loudness on iPhone. In more serious cases, the speaker or other components on your phone have been either hit or got water damage. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting ways of how to fix low volume on iPhone below. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step to make it easy to learn. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Increase the volume correctly. Before starting the iPhone volume low fix, make sure you know how to increase the volume in a proper way. There are mainly 3 ways to turn up or turn down the audio volume. 1. Use the buttons to adjust the audio volume. 2. Use the control center to alter the volume. 3. Use Siri to give commands like turn up the volume. Here's a note. The buttons won't control the volume for the ringer, alerts, and other sound effects until being configured. If your iPhone volume is too low when picked up or when ringing because you can't increase it through buttons, turn on the change with buttons. Go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, and toggle on Change with buttons. Make sure the iPhone isn't set to silent. If you've adjusted the volume to make it louder but your iPhone is experiencing low volume, the first thing to do is to make sure the iPhone isn't set to silent. This mode is triggered by the silent switch on the top left side of your iPhone. If you see the switch is in red, that means it's in silent mode, which will mute all sounds and vibrations on your iPhone. Just put the switch to the other side to toggle it off. Now, see if you can increase the volume on your iPhone now. The volume of your iPhone may decrease when you press the volume up button if the reduce loud sounds is enabled on the device. With it, the maximum volume is set to 85 decibels automatically. If you don't need it, just to go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, tap Headphone Safety, and then toggle off Reduce Loud Sounds. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. The Do Not Disturb mode is used to silence calls, notifications, and alerts on iPhone. When this mode is activated, your iPhone will not ring or make any sounds for incoming calls or notifications. For this, it's a possible reason for iPhone speaker volume low issues. To fix it up, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. Open Control Center. Look for the crescent moon icon. Tap the crescent moon icon to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Many users confirmed this quick solution worked for them to make the sound louder. If you can't see the icon, try the other methods. Turn off noise cancellation. Some of you may be spending most of your iPhone time on calls. If your iPhone volume is low on calls, chances are that the phone noise cancellation feature is turned on. It helps reduce background noise during phone calls, making your voice clearer to the person on the other end of the call. The fix here is to disable it. Open Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual, and then toggle off the phone noise cancellation option. Disconnect Bluetooth or any other external devices. Volume at max but still not loud enough? Check if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device or other external devices. First, disable Bluetooth connection on Control Center to ensure that no Bluetooth devices are connected. Second, make sure you don't pair with wireless earphones like AirPods. Third, make sure you don't connect your iPhone to an Apple TV or devices alike. 4. If your volume on an iPhone is too low in a car, make sure you don't pair your phone to the vehicle's audio system. Clean speakers. How long has your iPhone been used? If it's more a year, there's a great possibility that dust, dirt, or debris can accumulate on or near the speaker, affecting its performance. Thereafter, you end up with having a low volume on your iPhone. To clean the speakers on an iPhone, turn off your iPhone first. Next, use a soft bristled and dry brush or toothbrush to gently brush the speaker grills. Once you ensure the speaker is free of any remaining debris, turn on your iPhone and see if the volume is working to turn up or turn down normally. Restart iPhone. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary system glitches or malfunctioning apps leading to low volume on an iPhone. Here's what you need to do, and the steps cover all iPhone models. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Update iPhone. Your iPhone's volume may be low and fail to increase with buttons if it's running an old iOS. This brings incompatibility with the sound and audio setting. To remedy this issue, ensure your iPhone is running the latest software versions. You can do an update right on your iPhone. Open Settings app, tap General, tap Software Update, tap Download and Install, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. If you have a computer near you, you can download iTunes or Finder to upgrade the system. Factory Reset iPhone. Make sure you've tried all the steps above before resetting your phone. This solution is to erase everything you've saved to fix low volume on iPhone. It's also advised to try this step on your own first before you go to a repair store. To factory reset an iPhone with a low volume, go to Settings, scroll down and tap General, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset, and then select Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your passcode. Then, confirm that you want to erase all data on your iPhone to do a reset. Wait for the reset process to complete and hope the iPhone low volume issue can be fixed. Repair iPhone. If even a factory reset fails to turn up your iPhone volume, go to Apple Store to examine the hardware like the volume buttons, the speaker, or any other parts. Contact Apple online or through email to let them know your iPhone volume is not loud enough. Or, schedule a repair at the nearest Apple authorized service center, and the certified experts there can get your device back up and running as soon as the same day. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on what to do if your iPhone volume is too low. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back to working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel Cora Radar for more tech-related content. Until next time.